Hello, and welcome to another update video on FET. I'm tracking here the Fetch.ai chart on the 4-hour time frame, and I still treat this as an A, B, C structure to the downside, as explained in previous videos, and the C wave to the downside is a 5-wave move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we could now be working on a 5th wave to the downside. We haven't formed that 5th wave yet. Maybe we are forming it right now, but I can also not rule out a wider wave 4. So that's the question here at the moment. I think the structure is quite clear. I mean, we are definitely not dealing with an upside impulse right now. We're likely dealing with a corrective pullback. And within that scenario that we're tracking, the market could be working either already on the 5th wave to the downside, which should unfold as an ABC structure, A, B, C, or we are extending the wave 4 before we go down in wave 5. And both are plausible scenarios. We will probably know an answer soon or have an answer soon because it will depend on how the market reacts to our resistance area that's located between 24.7 cents and 26 cents. Yeah, that's our resistance between the 50% retracement and the 78.6 retracement. This is the zone here we are tracking at the moment. Yeah, we are dealing with. And if we move above 26.1 cents, then it opens the door to a wider wave 4. So, but in both scenarios, I mean, the overall assumption is still that we have not completed yet circle wave C to the downside, which began after the B wave, which is a corrective bounce, topped in November, early in November. We have no evidence it's complete because visually we need another low, and the 100% extension, which is an ideal target for a C wave, hasn't been reached yet. And that 100% extension simply means that the A wave, which is the first leg of that correction, and the C wave, which is what we're working on right now in an ABC structure, typical corrective pattern from an Elliott Wave point of view, well, that just means that the A wave and the C wave, they usually are same length. The C wave is sometimes a little longer. And so, yeah, we could easily get that one more low. And that one more low is needed to get to that 100% extension. Don't get me wrong, there is no must, The market doesn't have to get another low. The market doesn't have to reach the 100% extension. It simply is what would be normal, what would be expected, and it would be ideal. That's the update on FET. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.